When we think about India's energy sector, names like Indian Oil, BPCL, and HPCL often come to mind. But there's another major player that's quietly built one of India's largest refining and fuel retail businesses, Naira Energy. Today, we'll explore the company's journey, business model, operations, financial highlights, and why it attracts attention in the unlisted market. Naira Energy is one of India's leading private downstream energy companies. The company operates across three major segments: oil refining, fuel retail, petrochemicals. Its headquarters are in Mumbai, while its flagship refinery is located in Vadinar, Gujarat. The refinery has a capacity of around 20 million metric tons per annum, making it one of the largest single-site refineries in India. Over the years, Naira Energy has expanded its presence and now serves millions of customers across the country through its fuel retail network. Let's understand how Naira Energy earns revenue. First, the company imports crude oil from different parts of the world. This crude oil is processed at the Vadinar refinery into products such as petrol, diesel, aviation turbine fuel, LPG, bitumen, other petroleum products. These products are then supplied to industries, aviation companies, and fuel stations across India. Apart from refining, Naira Energy also operates thousands of fuel retail outlets. The company is also expanding into petrochemicals, which can diversify its revenue sources in the future. One of Naira Energy's biggest strengths is its rapidly growing fuel station network. Today, the company operates more than 6,500 fuel retail outlets across India. These outlets are designed to provide high-quality fuel along with customer-focused services. The company has also invested significantly in logistics, storage facilities, and distribution infrastructure. This integrated network enables efficient delivery of fuel to different parts of the country. Naira Energy is often discussed in the unlisted market because of its scale and position in India's energy sector. Investors closely follow developments such as expansion plans, refinery upgrades, petrochemical investments, business performance, any future plans related to a public listing. Every investment decision should be based on thorough research and individual financial goals. Overall, Naira Energy has established itself as one of India's major private energy companies with a strong presence in refining, fuel retail, and petrochemicals. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mira Associates for more educational content on unlisted companies and the unlisted share market.
Mira Associates provides assistance for unlisted share transactions only. We do not provide investment advice or recommendations. Investments in securities are subject to market risks. Please conduct your own research before making investment decisions.